By the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I don't condone any action taken by the viewer after watching this video. So you might have clicked on this video because you are tired of losing money, right? Inside random ass meme coins, for example, this one right here, which I just witnessed with my own two eyes, right? It pumped up to 50k market cap and now it's at basically zero, right? And a lot of y'all want to make money with meme coins, but you don't know how to. That's why you clicked on this video, because a lot of y'all don't know this, but you can actually make more money by launching coins, right, than trading them, okay? That's because when you launch the coin, you have nothing to lose, okay? The only thing you have to lose is your time, right? The time to make the money. And that's why I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to launch and create your own coin, right, and make some money. And by the way, at the beginning of the video, there was a disclaimer because some of y'all might actually use the information that I'm about to share y'all in this video to rug pull meme coins, right? And that is really unethical because personally, bro, my projects, they last long and they are completely legal. For example, I'm actually the dev behind the Robinhood coin, which on launch day it pumped to 150 million. Obviously, I didn't do all of this shit by my own. When you're launching a big project like this, you need a team, right? And yeah, now it's at basically it's dead, right? But it's not a rug pull because this coin lasted long. But the rug pulls, right, are basically when people launch coins and they just remove the liquidity directly and it goes to zero. And that is really unethical. You do not want to do that, okay? You might lose the information that I'm about to show you in this video to do it, but I don't condone that, okay? Now we won't be using pump.fun because if y'all don't know, pump.fun is saturated and all the coins here they're basically all scams, right? Like no investors are gonna buy these coins right here because pump.fun is saturated, okay? Too many people are making coins and it has become bad, okay? Now we will be using a site called LAUNCHToken.FUN, right? And it's basically a website where you can launch coins under Redeem Dex, which is 100 times better than pump.fun because you will make more money. Because for example, if I go on trending, right, and I select the pump.fun dex, you can see, for example, all the market caps here are all extremely low. For example, 9k, 5k, 5k, and that's basically nothing. That's peanuts. But if we go on the Redeem Dex, for example, oh my god, okay, the market caps are so high. 6.7 million right here, 8.6 million, where is it? I don't know. 30k right here, okay, that's bad, but for a Redeem coin, bad, but for a pump.fun coin, that's good, okay? You get the gist, okay? You want to be making coins on the Redeem Dex because you will make 100 times more money, and you cannot lose any money by launching meme coins, okay? Like, you can only make profits, which is like untapped. Like, a bunch of people are gatekeeping this shit, but I don't give a fuck, bro. This is a new channel, so I don't give a fuck. I'm dropping all the sauce, okay? So you want to be using LAUNCHToken.FUN to make your coins, alright? And you can either make them manually right here. For example, you go on Twitter, you find a narrative, then you can make the coin right here. It's really easy, okay? For example, if I was making a coin on myself, J, token symbol J, PFP, just take a random ass image, next, decimals keep it to 9, total supply keep it to 1 billion, description, put a good description, next. After that, you would put socials if you have them. You would keep these all selected, otherwise your coin will be viewed as a scam. After that, you would create the coin and you can manage equity here. You can remove 50% if you want, you can remove 100%, you can do whatever you want. But the feature that I will be using, okay, is the copy trending coins feature right here. Why? Because bro, if you want to make coins, okay, and have all the odds in your favor, okay, you want to be copying coins that are already trending on pump.fun, okay? For example, if I refresh here, you can see efficiency dog, right? That is a efficiency dog, right? As you can see, 35k market cap, okay, and right now it is trending, okay, 7:40 p.m. That is basically live right now. And I swear to God, bro, if you create coin, right, and you duplicate this coin, you will make like at least 50k market cap because this coin, okay, is trending on pump.fun, okay? But imagine you duplicate this coin on Radium. Bro, you could be making so much money, okay? So I will be doing an example right now. So create coin, unlock. After that, you would do proceed anyway, you would do confirm, I understand, confirm, and now your coin is being duplicated, well, created, and boom, now your token address is now created. So copy that, do create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable, right? Here you would select your coin, here you would select your Solana balance, right? Here you would click on max, right, because you want to give out a billion coins, and here amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're giving out to the public, right? Amount token B right here, okay, is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in from your own pockets, right? By the way, you are not losing this money. This money will come back to you in the future or when you remove the liquidity. So you could put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 for the video. That's what I usually put, and I'm gonna prove to you that you can make some money. Just basically no risk into doing this. You can make so much money. It's just really like unsaturated, right? So proceed anyways. After that you would do confirm, I understand, confirm, and now your liquidity pool is created. So just do refresh, and boom, now your coin has popped up. As you can see, 0.52 is pulled in from your own pockets. Now your coin is now live. Okay, ignore all the initial buys here, they are all bots, okay? So just ignore all that shit, because we are actually looking for the big buyers to come in. Oh my god, bro, someone just, okay, now the price is pumping really fucking hard. Oh my fucking god. Okay, now, okay, you want to go and remove the liquidity, so come back to LAUNCHTOKEN.FUN, right? Click the minus button, go quick, okay, go quick. 100% remove liquidity. Come on, bro, we gotta make this money. I could have waited longer, but I don't give a fuck. I want to show you that you can actually make some money. After that, do proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom, you just remove the liquidity, as you can see. So as you can see, bro, 0.86 Solana just came back inside my wallet, right? So I essentially made 0.4 Solana in profit, which is kind of good considering that it took like 3-5 seconds, and that's essentially how you make money with launching meme coins. It's really that simple. Like, there's no strings attached, right? I don't have crazy editing, bro. I'm just someone who's making a YouTube video. Make sure to go in the comments or in the description down below and use LAUNCHTOKEN.FUN, right? It's really untapped right now, bro. People are gatekeeping this website, and you better use it right now before other people use it before you or whatever, okay? You can either create your coin here or copy trending coins to make guaranteed profit. And yeah, bro, happy profits. I wish you good luck.